Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in more such video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have ordered a bunch of skincare from Nykaa, so I was like, let's just create a haul video. And by the way, if you are wondering about this look, I have used all my Mars products, so that video will be soon up. But yeah, let's get started. So as I have acne prone dry skin, so I was searching for good acne prone stuff in the market. So yeah, so that's why I have bought this minimalist Sepi Clam Oat Moisturizer. This is for acne prone skin, I think. That's why I purchased it, I'm guessing it. So this is a oat moisturizer. I have to check why I ordered. I am assuming I typed acne in Nykaa's search engine, and whatever came, I just bought it because I have no idea about skincare. So yeah, so the next product is this Ayush aloe vera gel. I have used this in the past. Look at the size, it is a giant component, and I've used this in the past, and this really helps in evening out your skin. I have slight bumpy texture on my skin as well, so this will be good. And the way I'm using it is I'm replacing my why cannot I say anything? Okay, I'm replacing my Biotique moisturizer with this one, and this is a gel, so it is not that hydrating, so I'm applying 2 layers of this. In that way I'm using it. So yeah, so I have bought this tea tree oil. Now if you guys don't know, tea tree is really good if you have acne. And so I was like, should I order a tea product, or I should order tea tree itself, because it is really good for oily skin. But since I have acne prone skin, so I thought I will use this on all my acne to calm them out. The way I'm using it is I'm mixing my moisturizer and this and back of my hand, and just I'm kind of using it as a spot treatment. So yeah, I will guys let you know in maybe in a month or so is anything is working on me or not. And I'm not going to use all of them at one go. Then I will ended up not knowing myself what is working on what is not working. So the way I am planning to use them and review is like, first I will use this tea mix with my aloe vera gel. If that works, I will tell you. If that will not work, after using it for a month, I will move to minimalist. So if you want a minimalist video, it will take some time. So just to let you know, skincare does not show up results. Like, I cannot tell you like makeup, like I can tell straight away like how makeup is performing or not. But with skincare, it takes a lot of time to show up any results, and I think 1 month will be a good time to judge these products. So yeah, now the next one is this Pantene oil replacement, and I am searching a really cheap hair mask. So I have dry hairs as well, and since it was really hot and humid, I just created this messy bun. So yeah, this was not that expensive. I think 60 rupees on discount or something, and I was expecting a little tube, but as you can see, the size of this tube is good. So basically you can use it before applying before washing your hair. So this will act as hair mask, and you can apply it after hair wash as well. So it kind of act in both ways, I am guessing. So yeah, now the next product is this Street Hair Serum. I was not expecting it to be this tiny. This is only this much. I think this was 47 rupees on discount, but I was not expecting this to be this tiny. So I don't have any hair serum, so I thought of trying all the frizz, claiming that they will tame your frizz basically. that. So I have ordered all the small sizes so I can try. If I like any, I will purchase the bigger one, but as of now I'm just going to check whether they really do anything to tame the frizz or not. Okay, so the next is also a anti-frizz serum. This is by Livon. So this is, I think, the same old serum or the new one. I have not opened it. Okay, so this is anti-frizz serum. I have to again see the size is so small, so I have to try them, then I will give you my final thought. They actually do anything or not. For that you have to just wait for my review. Okay, so the next product is a repurchase. This is the Biotique hair mask, and mine one was like about to get finished. I think in 1 or 2 wash that will be finished, so I thought why not just keep this in backup. That only survived like 4 or 5 washes. After that I have to purchase this. So this was 175 or something after discount, but that's why I am ordering this kind of hair mask to see if they will work. I will not spend that much money on hair mask because I'm using it almost after every wash. So yeah. Okay, another hair mask or hair cream is this Himalaya protein hair cream extra nourishment. So I think this also you can use before shampoo and after shampoo as well. I'm going to just use it before shampoo, and I am hoping this will do something. This was also 60 rupees or 50 rupees or something on discount. So if this will work, I have to I will, why cannot I say? So if this will work, I will repurchase this. Otherwise I will stick to my Biotique one because that really provides some nourishment to my hair. Okay, so the next one is this Biotique Bio Wintergreen Spot Corrector. So basically this is a spot treatment for acne. So what you have to do with this, let me just open. So this is a small component because you have to just, this is the consistency. It is like your typical cream. So what you have to do, just take it at your acne and just apply a tiny dot. So this has a like cooling sensation. So this is like a kind of spot corrector for acne. This will calm your acne. So I have bought this for that purpose only, because if previously I was applying that neem face pack, and what happened that if you apply such mud mask or anything as a spot treatment, it will kind of just rupture the acne and you will ended up having more pimples. So that's why I have bought this spot corrector to apply on just acne. But I am using these days I'm using the tea tree with this aloe vera gel, because this is strong. When you will apply it, you will feel something, because this is the pure tea tree oil in essence form. You have to just apply really little. This is strong, so I think this will be more beneficial. So I have not shown you the component. This is the component. You have to just mix 1 drop with your moisturizer and just apply at your acne spot. And a lot of reviews on Nykaa were showing their before and after pics, and they were like amazing. They were having great result on their cystic prone acne. So I don't have that many, but still I have some acne, so that will be really helpful. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.